So I found I was having problems with this battery tester. The 9 volt section worked properly, but the 1.5 volt section didn't work at all. So I'm going to open it up and see what's wrong with it. I see why my battery tester stopped working. It's one of these. This wire here flexed to the point where it broke off. Right there. So it needs to be resoldered. So I verified that the circuit works again after I resoldered it. The battery tester is actually able to test AA's and AAA's again. And I'm using this UV light to just harden the UV glue that I put on that connection where I soldered, just so it doesn't break off again from sliding this wire back and forth. Add some hot melt glue in that inside there is a strain relief, but I put on some more of that this UV glue inside there just so it doesn't break off, sliding back and forth. So here it is, all back together, working again.